Hey everyone! Are you curious about artificial intelligence and machine learning, but feel like you need to be a math or coding genius to even get started? Trust me, you're not alone, and I'm here to tell you that's just not true. Welcome to BIT's Machine Learning course for beginners, designed especially for people from non-technical backgrounds. Whether you're from B.com, BA, or working in a totally different field, you can learn machine learning. Let's break it down together. So, what exactly is machine learning? Imagine teaching a computer not by giving it a strict set of instructions, but by letting it learn from examples, just like how you learn from experience. That's what machine learning is all about. For instance, when you browse online and get product recommendations, or when your phone unlocks with your face, or when YouTube suggests your next favorite video, that's machine learning working behind the scenes. It's everywhere, from healthcare and banking to farming and education. Now I know what you're thinking, but I don't know how to code. Don't worry. At BIT, we start from absolute zero. We'll teach you basic Python programming, step by step. You'll learn to write simple code even if you've never seen it before. Once you're comfortable, we move into the magic of machine learning. You'll discover two main types: supervised learning, where the machine learns from labeled examples, and unsupervised learning, where it finds patterns on its own. And we make it fun with real-life cases, predicting house prices, spotting fake news, or understanding customer behavior. Each topic comes with hands-on projects, so you really get it, not just memorize it. But what about jobs? Here's the exciting part. Companies in India are desperately looking for people who can work with data and smart technologies. You could become a machine learning engineer, data analyst, AI developer, or business intelligence analyst. Starting salaries for freshers? Around Rs5 to Rs8 lakhs per year. And with just a couple of years' experience, you can earn Rs12 lakhs or even more. Big names like Infosys, TCS, IBM, Accenture, Flipkart, and tons of startups are hiring right now. So, if you feel left out in this tech revolution, don't. With the right guidance and practical training, anyone can master machine learning. Yes, even you. Join BIT's machine learning course, get certified, work on live projects, and open the door to one of the most exciting, future-proof careers in India and beyond. Step into the world of intelligent machines. Your journey starts here.